Hello everyone. Now it is daylight out here. I just uploaded the Q&A plus watch list video. So that was done, just uploaded around 1 o'clock Perth time. So I'm filming this right after, but I'm not going to have time to upload this to YouTube. It took a little while to upload it. I'm not too sure why. They're doing stuff on my street. I think it's to do with telecommunications. There's a Telstra van. So they've gone now, but yeah, so I'll be uploading this evening once I get home from athletics training. So we'll bring the stats in. We might just do 2 months. I'll try and do 3. We'll just see. Normally if I take a trade or two early on in the piece, it does sort of add to the time. So we're at 105.09 months processed, 9.45% return. So we had one winning trade previous test. 59% win rate. I like to hover around 60%. The problem is, again, with the trailing exit is that it normally gets just above break even, but halfway between a 1R and break even. So I'm only really making $50 or so. Well, yeah, because it's nearly 11,000, so $55 that I'll make, and I'll make the 110 or so with a 1% risk with the 1R. So if I have a full loss, that's 220, but if I have a win and then a partial win, so that's my concern here a little bit. But anyway, we'll get that across. You've just got to be persistent, really, is the key. So we'll do some testing. If it takes quick, I'll try and probably not be able to upload this though. Okay. Daily, so it's downtrending. We'd be looking for this to break through that resistance line there. I don't know why I point. You can't see where I'm pointing. Had an early start, nice. Got the coffee, pardon me, drinking whilst back testing. I don't have any open positions either. I didn't mention that in the video previous, but you could see, I think I had my whole screen up. You could see there were no open positions either. Okay, so this is interesting. Wow, okay. Probably won't. I just wanna have a good time. Triple two. Do. So, okay. No, this is when this is correct. Yep. Oh, amateur. Look at me. We're all good. Okay. Sorry everyone about that. That was a little embarrassing. So this doesn't have a take profit. This is just the trailing. Right, triggered. Ooh. I think that might have. I think it was a losing trade. Okay. Save this up. Let's save it up. Screenshot for weekend analysis. So you're probably saying to yourself, Scott, you're doing this every day. That's correct. And what works for me is, around 3 months of testing, and then I replay the video and I assess, what I've done, and then I'll quote what times I take trades, just to let you guys, the viewers, not waste time watching the video. I try and keep it, between 5 to 7 minutes for a 3-month test on a 4-hour chart. But yeah, I do. I'll test every day. I didn't test Saturday, but that was because I did some extensive analysis with all my trades that I'd done for the week. So yeah, I don't. It's probably half an hour to an hour every day, and you can fit it in. I don't really watch a lot of TV at all, just with my partner at dinner or so, or maybe a little bit after, and then she goes to bed, and then I'll, get on the computer. But even, I'll still have the phone next to me. I'll be monitoring the charts. I keep my watch list pretty, refined, so I don't have a lot of things that I do watch because I'm quite a picky trader, and I look for a trend, and there aren't really many good trends going on the 4-hour charts, especially when it's corresponding with a trend on the daily as well. So, but I discussed that on my previous video that I uploaded. So you will notice that frequency of posting will increase as well on the channel. So I hope that's a good thing, guys. I clearly label the videos, so if you're into Tim Sykes stuff, I'm going to label that. Really, for the couple of months, I'll just be watching videos and learning. So I won't really be getting charts up at penny stocks or anything like that. So there won't be any exciting, trades or anything like that. So I'm just doing this to, put into video my journey. I want to become a professional trader. I could call it a full-time because that would be the majority of where my income's coming from. But I wouldn't say that I'd be doing 40 hours a week of, looking at the charts though. Because that's not really, in my opinion, that's not the way to go. And that wouldn't really, that would feel like, work. And, when you're grinding away looking at charts all the time, you force trades, in my experience. And I'm more picky, quick check of the charts. Anything interests me, I'll wait. The 9 o'clock candle close, the 1 o'clock in the morning candle close here in Perth for my forex stuff, and then put the pending order in and just, have no expectations and follow the rules. So, but it seems with penny stocking, it's a little more, it's intensive, and I'm disciplined. So that's why I like a little bit of slower stuff. Let it go, sort of, set and forget type method. With strict rules, and then with the penny stocking, a little more intraday, low time frame, just to diversify income streams a little bit. But I think, I'm going to have to make a decision on what to put most attention to. Now, this is interesting. It's probably too close, though, to the next support level here. Yeah, see, because what would happen is, I've got that there. If we zoom out, so this is how I'll also play it. This is where the stop loss will be. It's there to there, so it was 240 odd an hour. Yeah, it's too close. Pardon me. Zoom in. No, I'll go to the 3 months because we're already at 107.73. So, we have had a losing trade, but and we'll call it a day here if you want. That's it. Thank you for watching, guys. And Trade Talk, Pippin and Easy, episode 20 with Connor Murphy will be up tomorrow. It'll probably be up at around, I'm going to call it 10 p.m. East Coast time. No, it'll be 10 p.m. West Coast time because we're doing it 8 o'clock my time. So at the latest, probably 9:30 though. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching, and bye.